What up, what up, what up, what up? Magnetic here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like some of the content I got going on, please give me a thumbs up, smash that like button. Right here, we got a alarm that says door alarm. It can be the front door, which is this button right here, or it also can be the lint door, which is this button right here. So usually when you get that door alert, it won't let you start the machine because it's like a safety for the machine. There's really only theoretically 2 doors on here. They have a door in the back, but it's not called a door. It's called an access panel. So what you want to do is, it seems like this one probably the problem, is you got 2 slots right here where this tray rods on. So you want to put this, line it right up in the hole, as you can see right here, line up in the hole, and you push it in there, and then it rods smoothly on there, and then push this button. On some of the dryers, you got a switch inside, you can't see it, and these rails right here hits it. So you just push it, and as you can see, it makes contact, boom, and then it pulls it in. And then you can close the door, and then you can start the machine. So like I was saying, it has to make full contact in order for it to start, because they don't want somebody to be able to open the door and put their hand in hand and grabs their hand and pulls them in the machine. They ain't pulling my big, you know what, inside the machine. But yeah, it can happen like that. And some of these edges are sharp, so you don't want that thing turning and hit your finger and cut your finger. So be careful when you're putting your clothes in here also, and be careful of the zippers and everything, because it's easy for the zippers to get caught up on there. Maybe I'll do a video up on that also, about the gapping of the door, how to adjust that as well on new machines and new installs. All right, so I just want to give you a heads up. Door alarm on there may not be the switch, it may be the switch, or it may be the door not making full contact on the switch. All right, Magnetic out.